Poultry 101, a guide to understanding USDA poultry grades, terms, and cooking recommendations. USDA Grade A poultry is widely available in U.S. retail stores. Whole birds and parts bearing the Grade A shield are practically free from quality defects such as bruises, broken bones, feathers, and exposed flesh due to cuts or tears in the skin. Grade A birds are well fleshed, symmetrical, and have significant fat under the skin to keep the meat tender and juicy when cooked. Grade A parts are properly cut for uniformity and ease in preparation. USDA Grade A boneless poultry products are free of bone, cartilage, bruises, and other defects. You may also see cooked or prepared foods labeled prepared from USDA Grade A. The USDA inspection seal ensures that the USDA's poultry is inspected for safety, quality, and wholesomeness. The USDA Grade Shield is an added assurance of quality based on official USDA standards of poultry. Try this cooking tip. Cook breast meat with the skin on for flavor and tenderness. Remove skin before eating to reduce fat and calories. Also, ensure that the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit.